shadcn UI, a beautifully designed component library that you can copy paste into your apps, recently won Project of the Year less than 24 hours ago, and I feel like I've been living under a rock because I just heard of it, but I am so excited to go through this and see what the hype is all about. Alright, starting on the landing page, I'm getting some Vercel, some Uber vibes, but that just might be because it's black and white and I'm tripping. But if we go down, they have some app mockups for us to take a look at with all of their components. The mail application, right off the bat, it looks amazing, super clean, kind of minimalistic. Let's go through all of these different components they're using here. These icons look very clean, very nice. Is this what I think it is? Can I? You're kidding. I haven't seen this before in a UI library before. Not only are you kidding, you're also joking. That is beautiful. What? I love that. Oh, and I see it's on the side over here as well. Wow, I love that. I'm already impressed. Let's check out the dashboard. Okay, nice little financial dashboard. I like it. I like it. These buttons don't do much yet, but that's okay. This graph. Let me see that animation again when we switch to it. Very nice. They come bouncing up. Oh my goodness. This is the moment of truth. The date selector. It looks beautiful. What? I am so impressed with this. Wow. Wow, that is super well done. I love that. I saw this over here. A combo box. Does the search work? It does. Wow. With the category headers. This is so well done. This is so like complete, you know. Create team. A modal pops up. I love the modal. Type some name in. Select the plan. Free or pro. I like this little description you can have in the light gray. Really helps basically provide the user with some context. I love this. Continue. Cancel. Ooh. A little test for this. Can we click out? We can. Okay. Another test. Can we press escape? Oh my goodness. Let's check out the cards. A nice collection of cards. Okay, they're create an account, team members, another combo box or drop down menu, I guess. Very nice. Billing. I love how the drop downs look. They're so clean. Very minimalistic. I don't know if I'm using that word right, but that's what it feels like to me. Payment method. Very cool. More drops. Very cool. Let's move on to tasks. A nice little table. Welcome back. Thank you so much. Selection. Very cool. I like this. Can we sort? Ascending, descending. Yes, we can. Damn, amazing. What's this do? Labels, bug. This is so like responsive and clean. Like it just feels like it works as you would expect. I mean, it does, but you know, I'm just yapping at this point. But page 2, 10 rows per page. Does this work? Oh, it does. I love how they've put so much effort into these mockups. It's incredible. It really speaks volumes about this UI. Playground. What is it? Playground. Write a tagline for an ice cream shop. Temperature. Oh, a nice little description as you hover over it. Control randomness. I like that. I like that. The model. Another combo box. I love it. Oh, this is very nice. The descriptions on the left. Wow. I actually haven't seen this before. I've always done the, you know, like we mentioned in the last, where was it, dashboard? Oh yeah, over here. Like this gray text next to the option. But this is something else. This is just a whole different toolbox showing you a complete description of each option. That is beautiful. Can't get enough of these drop downs. Let's head over to the forms. Nice little profile settings menu. Okay, can we switch between these? Yes, we can. Light and dark, very cool. I like this illustration here actually. It's beautiful. The display, more checkboxes. Speaking of light and dark mode, we haven't seen it in light mode yet. Let's switch over to light mode. Cover your eyes, cover your eyes. Ooh, still very clean. I like this. I like this maybe a little bit more than the dark. Let's see here. Nah, I'm joking. I love the dark. Dark mode is just, you can't go wrong with dark mode. But the light mode is very nice. I really like it. And then lastly, authentication. Nice little login page. The library has saved me countless hours of work. I'm sure that will be me in a few days. And I saw earlier that said new components and updates, changelog, Carousel, drawer, pagination, we saw that already. Resizable, I think we saw that. Sonar and CLI updates. Carousel is new. I've seen hundreds of carousels. It's surprising that I'm still excited about this one. Love it. Drawer is next. Open drawer. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. I don't know what I was expecting, but not that. Very nice. This would be perfect for the mobile application. Probably isn't very used in desktop, but this is super clean. And you can drag it here as well. Can I like click over here? Yes, you can. You can do anything you want with this UI library. Resizable. Oh my goodness. This is even more impressive than the first one we saw on the mail app. Oh my, and the code is right here in React. That's crazy. I thought it was gonna be like HTML, CSS, like Flowbyte, like we've been using. That's actually a lot better than I was expecting. Actual like React code. Very cool. And Sonar. Show toast. Ooh. Stop it. You're kidding. Oh my goodness. And they come down from the void. That is so beautiful. Sonar is built and maintained by Emil Kowalski. Very cool. Design engineer also at Vercel. So I guess they put this inside of the so I guess they put this a part of the UI library, but someone else maintains it. That's very nice. I'm just going through all of these components. I can't get enough of it. So clean, one by one, cleaner than the last. Show dialog. Get out the front door, honestly. I've been a Flowbyte fanboy for a while, an FFB if you will, but this is definitely my new favorite UI library. It is so consistent, so responsive, so clean. I've been using that word endlessly today, but that's just what it is. I can see now why it won Project of the Year. I would have voted for it too if I knew the vote was happening. Honestly, redo the vote. Let me vote. Next.js number 5, Bun number 2, shadcn UI number 1. Deserved, very well deserved. Is it shadcn or shad? Because shad means happy in Farsi. So, you know, I am happy when I'm using shadcn UI. All right, that's enough components. What's next? Themes. Add color. You can change the color? Dude. Tell me this theme does not match my background. Next application we're making, mark my words, I am using this UI library with this theme. This is beautiful. We are restarting Nobility Pay. We are using this theme and this UI library. Tell the investors to wait a few extra months. Oh, let's take a look at it with blue. Sorry for the flashbang. Blue and white. Very nice. Examples. And the GitHub, of course. Let's check it out. 40,000 stars, as it should be. Change GitHub Husky VS Code packages apps www components. And the components are here. Very nice. Let's go back to it. Let me see what the README says. Beautifully designed components built using Radix UI, and Tailwind CSS. 168 contributors, used by 2,000 projects so far. Wow. The impact this project already has had on the community is phenomenal. I am left speechless. I have been an FFB, a Flowbyte fanboy for a while, but this is definitely my new go-to UI library, my favorite. Next project, we're going to be using this to its full extent. Love to see the project get the recognition it deserves. shadcn, Emil, amazing developers, amazing project. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for going through this library with me, our first impressions together. I have been blown away. I can't wait to see what others create with this, and I can't wait to see what we create with this next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.